Hello everyone. What we have today is we have ourselves a pack of $100 notes. People call it a strap or a stack or, just a pack of 10,000. I got 10K, 10 dimes, 10 large, whatever you want to call it. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and search through these notes. We're going to be looking for older notes. We're going to be looking for notes that I guess are in just particularly nice, like brand new condition perhaps. We're also going to be looking for fancy serial numbers, and we'll also be looking for star notes. So let's see what we have in here. See if we can find any of those. I'll go ahead and take the band that the bank uses there, and we'll go ahead and get going. I don't expect to find any older notes just because in looking at them here, they all look to be the newer style. But let's take a look. Nothing special with that note there, just 8802-6648. This one as well, 4215-1853. Another thing to look for is potential birthday notes. That's where like 4 of the digits would be a year, and then the other 2 would be a month and a day. Some people collect those, especially if that would be your birthday. That would be a fun one to find. Let's see, nothing fancy about these. There's a 2009 Series A, Series 2009A again. Not seeing anything fancy with that one. 6443-1459, nothing there. Now in searching currency, I've only done this a few times, and I think this is the first time I'll be doing it on YouTube. There's a lot of stuff that's no good, and every now and then you might find something that's interesting. So there's a lot of misses, very few hits in my experience. And 7168-5337, 0951-4567. Now there's if you start seeing that 4, 5, 6, 7, they call those ladders. Now that's only 4 digits of a ladder, not interesting at all. You'd need all the digits pretty much for it to be really special, or most of them. Close, but no cigar, and really not even that close. 7455-3998, nothing there. And I guess if you guys are watching this back, if you see that I've missed anything, go ahead and leave comments below. I've not really, coins are mostly what I do. Every now and then I'll look through currency, so I'm sure I missed stuff that other currency collectors might take notice of. This one's really wrinkly and in bad shape, but the serial number is nothing special. There's one that got a bunch of 2s and 5s, but not enough to make it special. This one's kind of cool. It starts out 2627. It'd be really cool if then it went 2829, but this one does not. Another thing people look for are repeaters, to where you'd have 26, 26, 26, or 26, 27, 26, 27. Or they have some that are called radars, to where it's the first 4 numbers would be 26, 27, and then maybe you'd have 72, 62, so it would be pretty much the same forwards and backwards. Again, we do not have that right here. This one's almost a birthday note. We got 13/15/1993, so if there was 13 months in 1993, that would have been a birthday note. So if that was 12/15/1993, somebody born on December 15th, 1993 would love to have that note, but that is an almost birthday note. All right, next up, we got some that are turned the other way here, but that's okay. 0683, nothing there. 6469, nothing there. And again, all these are either Series 2009A so far. I saw a couple Series 2013, I believe. 8860, no. There's one that's got a year again, 1917 in the serial number, but again, that's not going to be anybody's birthday. So, and usually when you get to the older dates, like over 100 years ago, not too many people still around with that birthday anyway. Nothing there. Series 2009A. Alright, let's look at this one. 01780813. Not seeing anything there in that serial number. And again, Series 2009A. Most of these are Series 2009As that I'm seeing. Nothing on that one. 498 1161. No. 0903. Nope. This one's got a bunch of zeros. Not enough of them to matter. 95 97 1552. 568 17191. This one looks like it might have potential. 80 444 640. So not quite enough to be. I mean, it's got a bunch of repeating numbers, and it's. I guess if you had only 3 digits there, we got 8 zeros, 4s, and 6s. If you only had 3 digits, people call those trinary numbers. 3 digits that make up the whole serial number. But there's 4 different, so nothing special there. I was just kind of taking a closer look to make sure we don't have any, repeaters or radar there, but we do not. And that again is a Series 2009A. 7568 4679, nothing there that I notice. 522 11008, nope. 9300 5742, nothing fancy. Oh, here we go. I think this is good. 337 447 34. So there, the only digits that make up this serial number are 3, 4, and 7. So that there would be a trinary note. If it was only 2 different digits, like say it was only 3s and 4s, or 3s and 7s, or 7s and 4s, just 2 digits total, that would be called a binary note. And those would be a lot better and more collectible. But a trinary note, it's something cool maybe to set aside and think about, but probably when you're talking about a $100 note, it's probably something I'm not going to save and I'll just spend it. If it was a $1 note, yeah, I'd probably save it just because it only cost $1 to save that. But anyway, I'll set that aside for right now because that's, I guess, one of our finds, or it could be our only find. We'll see. 49, 35, 2085, 5494 2689. 92, 46, 94, 41, nothing there that I see. I'm grabbing too many at once. 9100, 3750. Probably no. 71, 21, 79, 90. 98, 26, 94, 11. 95, 21, 6698. Anybody else out there like searching through currency looking for fancy serial numbers? If so, let me know in the comments, or let me know if you want me to do future videos looking through currency. I just decided to do this before basically going to the bank and depositing this. 70, 11, 33, 41. Nah, nothing good there. And I'm taking a little bit of time just to make sure there's no repeating or no radar or anything. It's just usually I can spot that pretty quick, but I'm just trying to be a little careful that we try not to miss anything. Nothing there. Here's a newer one. This is Series 2000. I think it's 2013, so it's a little bit newer. Most of the others have been Series 2009A, but it's in poor condition. But it starts out 1984 and then it goes 1858. So you got 2 years there, but neither of those would make up somebody's birthday, so we don't really save that. 70, 25, 25, 20. Okay, so that's, got a couple repeating digits, but again, I don't think that's enough to be considered a fancy serial number or worth saving. 05, 27, 44, 19. 74, 21, 11, 44. Again, we almost have a trinary there because we got a lot of 4s and 1s, and then we got another 4. But nah, there's just too many digits there. We got the 2 and the 7. If either one of those were similar to the other, then we'd have a trinary. But here we go. We got ourselves a star note. So we got the serial numbers, and the serial number, I'm just reading off the digits, but the full serial number is JL 20971314 star. So what we'll do is we'll look up this star note. Well, first of all star notes are a little bit scarce to find. And they're cool. But then you can look up the star notes on a website to see if you have anything that's exceptionally rare or more rare than the average star note. So we'll take a look at that in a minute once we get through the rest of these. We've got a lot of sixes, so we got 94, 66, 36, 63. So this little part at the end is a radar, so it's like 3663, so that part's same forwards and backwards, but the rest of the serial number doesn't go along with it, so it is not worth saving. 60, 26, 54, 96, 61, 78, 22, 67. We're getting quite a few Series 2013s here for now. Nothing fancy. Not seeing anything there. And here, this is when I'm looking for radars, I just kind of look towards the center of the serial number there. So right there, you see the double nines in the middle. And then it goes fives, you know, so we got 59, 95 in the middle. So that's the, you know, your eye will be drawn to that pretty quick. And then you see if the rest of it's a radar, but this one is not. So that's kind of how, you know, I at least, or at least my mind tries to spot those when I'm looking through currency. Nothing there. Nothing on that one. No. 91, 94, 91, and then 46. So that's almost a fancy number there. It's almost something cool. So another maybe 50-some notes into the pack, 48 notes into the pack, you'd have 91, 94, 91, 94. That would be considered a repeater, which would be kind of cool. But this one is not. 1982, so maybe a birthday, but then we got 5665, so not a birthday of anybody. 71, 90, 0016, 4065, 4403. Here we got 11, 22, 52, 50. Almost a trinary, but you got the 0 at the end, makes it 4 different numbers, with the 1s, the 2s, the 5s, and the 0s, so we won't put that aside. Alright, we got ourselves 29, 63, so we got 29, 36, 36, 73, so we got the 36, 36 in the middle there, but the rest of it is not fancy. Nothing there. Got a lot of ones in this, so let's see, 311, 64, 114. Again, almost a trinary, but it's not, so almost does not count. Nothing there. Not anything worth talking about there. Here we go, this one ends in 1945. You got 05, 95, 1945, so the 95 in there messes us up and keeps that from being a birthday note. And if anybody's ever found a birthday note or has a birthday note for a birthday of yourself or one of your family members, let me know. That'd be kind of cool. I did have a birthday note for my dad at one point. It was a $2 bill, which was kind of cool. And I saw that on an online forum. Somebody was just typed it in and says, "Hey, is this anybody's birthday?" And I'm like, oh, wow, that's pretty weird because that is my dad's birthday. So I said, yeah, that's my dad's birthday. And the guy just sent me the note for free. Didn't even charge me the $2 that the note was. So that was kind of cool. So this one's, you know, 0265, 0298. If it was 0265, 0265, that would be what was called a repeater, but it's not. A little bit earlier in that pack would have been the repeater. And again, the pack is the $100 notes, or sorry, 100 notes of the same. So this is a pack of 100 hundreds, so 10,000. 22, 10, 90, 71. 76, 19, 23, 22. Nothing there. Don't see anything on this one either. Again, looking through currency, you're gonna have a lot of misses because there's 99,999,999 different serial numbers, I guess, or maybe it's just an even 100 million. I'm just trying to do the numbers in my head, but so 100 million different serial numbers could be there, and many of them are not special at all. So nothing there. Again, we're getting into a bunch of Series 2009 A's here again. Again, I started looking because the middle pair there is 2 zeros, so then you start looking to the numbers to the sides to see if they're radars, and those were not. Nothing there. Nothing there. Get a bunch of 20, 21, 20, but the 74 in the front makes that no good. 1878 something, but not a birthday or anything. And when you get to where you'd have serial numbers where it'd be a birthday that's, you know, more than 100 years ago, then it better be like some historical date or something for it to be anything special, because you're not going to be finding anybody around with birthdays of those years. That's for sure. 3, 5, 7, 7, 5, 3, 3, and then 6. So not a trinary, but close. 96, 89, 66, 8, 3. Nope, close but no cigar. 666, 4, 9, 8, 2, 4. 0472, 8664. Getting towards the end here, and again, we only got 2 finds. That's not too bad, actually. Sometimes you get no finds in a stack of 100. Nothing there. Twelve, 12, 96, 84 is no good. 5, 3, 4, 2, 0, 5, 3, 8. 0, 2, 5, 7, 7, 130. 1, 3, 9, 1, 9, 9 now. 21, 41, 10, 97. Almost through this. 6, 5, 5, 6, 12, 97. 7, 0, 4, 1, 1. 3, 4, 6. Ooh, that one starts with MK. That's good. We like these ones that start with MK. 3, 4, 5, 808, 11. Nothing fancy. And the last note, 70, 13, 17, 05. A series 2013. Not fancy. So we got 98 notes right there that we'll toss to the side because we don't need anything with those. And our 2 finds are, we got ourselves a trinary note. LL, and that's cool that the first 2 letters are the same letter too, so that's kind of interesting. 337 447 34. So it's 3 different numbers make up the entire serial number, and it's almost a radar as well. The middle pairs are 4s, then you go out to 7s, then you go out to 3s, but then we got ourselves a 3 and a 4, so it's almost a radar that's a trinary. So pretty neat. So I guess, what is it, 1 note before this, so it would end in 4733, would have been that radar note. And also a trinary. So that's kind of interesting. Again, it's a $100 note. To save this costs me $100. I don't know if it's fancy enough. If it was that radar note that's also a trinary, I probably would save it. But if it was a $1 note, I would definitely save this one just because it's cool enough. But for $100, I think that one might be spent. And then we got this one here, JL 2097-1314 star. So what we'll do is we're going to go open up the Star Note Lookup website, and I'll show you guys that. So here we go. The website is mycurrencycollection.com, and you'll be able to see the tabs on the sides when you get to there. And we're on the Star Note Lookup page. That's the rest of the URL there. We're going to go here. We're going to select $100. The series is Series 2009. And you type in the full serial number, so we'll do that now. We'll go JL 209, and just a spoiler alert, I had looked this up just real quick while I was going through this. I'd pre-typed it just so I make sure I get it right. Look up your star note, and looks like right here, this is less rare. So they give you a scale less rare to more rare, and we're all the way on the less rare part of the scale. We're not even a little bit into it. So this was a run size of 3.2 million notes. There's 38,400,000 star notes of this series. It gives you the breakdown of what we have right there. And long story short, this is not rare at all. And that means I'm gonna spend it. So that's that. Again, if it was a $1 note where it only costs you $1 to save it, sure, maybe you keep that and set it to the side just because it's a star note and a little bit fun. But with a cost of $100 to save that, knowing that it's at the very less rare side of the scale, it's getting spent. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, we only had the 2 finds, and the 2 finds are really not worth saving. They're probably going to get spent. If you guys want me to do more currency searches in the future, they probably won't always be $100 notes. I mean, I get, you know, 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s. Heck, I could even get 20s or 50s. So just let me know. Again, until the next time, keep having fun with your collections.